Hello friends, today let's discuss how to find square of any number which ends in 5. If we take example of 75 and split 7 and 5 into two different numbers, now our first task will be to multiply 7 with the next number 7 plus 1, and on the right side multiply 5 with 5 itself. So on the left side we get 7 multiplied by 8, and the right side we get 25. 8 times 7 is 56 and 25 here. Now putting these two together, 5, 6, 2, 5, this is the square of 75. Taking the example of 95 and applying the same thing, we get 9 and 5. Now multiplying 9 by 9 plus 1 and 5 by 5, here we get 9 times 10 and here we get 25. 9 times 10 is 90 and 25 here. So the answer is 9025. See how simple it is. But why does this work? Let's see that. Now any number which ends in 5 can be written as 10x plus 5, where x is any positive number. For 95, x will be 9, which will be 90 plus 5, 95. Now we are doing square of this number, which means 10x plus 5 multiplied by 10x plus 5. If we solve this, we get 100x square plus 100x plus 25. Now taking x common from these two, we get 100 times x plus 1 plus 25. Since we're multiplying x times x plus 1 by 100, which means that x times x plus 1 will be at hundreds place and more if it is more than one digit, and 25 will be at the ones and the tens place. So if we see in the example of 95, 25 is at the ones and tens place, and 90, which is x times x plus 1, is at hundreds and thousands place. So this is the general idea why this thing works. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.